Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite an eventful day on this one, and price is hanging in there, but I definitely want to focus on one level. And this level, I'm not going to quite be dramatic and call it a do or die or anything like that, but I would definitely say it's a very, very important level of support to keep an eye on going into next week. And that level is right down here at $3.60. Now, why is $3.60 so important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price comes down here, bounces around, and then goes to the downside. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would have the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why that area is important, because there's another scenario that so far so good has played out, and that is the price comes down here, and like it's already done right there, bounces around a little bit more, and then starts to head itself back upwards. Now, what's the big difference here? Well, in this situation, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps actually making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what it's all about. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to show signs of progress. And again, in this situation, the quote-unquote sign of progress would be staying up above 360. So definitely keep a close eye on that. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, it is all about that purple line right there, the very famous 50-period moving average. You can see not once, but twice today, the price got rejected by that level. But then you go back into the history of things, and you can see that the price, or that purple line, has already rejected the price a couple times before. So while I'm not saying that that level can't be broken, I'm just saying it's become very apparent that that is going to be kind of the thorn in the side here of the bulls. And then if there is going to be any sort of bigger movement, then it's all about, being able to break above and stay above that area. But all in all, nice little movement today, but let's see if the price can stay above 360 or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.